Hello people, what is up? Today I have another unboxing for you guys. This is a package from Dealextreme, and I believe there's only one item inside. I think this is a split order because I actually ordered two items in this package, but it only writes one, so I think it is a split order. So let me get into this package right now. Open. This is it. I will get to this item in a minute. As you can see, I turn on the LED light, so this is the item. I'll get to it in a minute. And there's a paper right here. Dear valued customer, thank you for... okay, let me switch on the LED light. Dear valued customer, blah 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 blah. See, there's one item that did not arrive. It is the item 2724. So kind of suck, but you know, it happens. So this is the item right here. So in this package, you will find. Hold on. You will find this tension wrench. To put tension on the keyhole, not very sure what to call it. Then to act like a key, and then you can use one of these to pick a lock. So yeah, I'll show you guys all 9 of these. Oops. Macro mode. Let me get the white balance. There you go. This is the right white balance. So we have this. We have this. You guys can see it, right? We have this. This. We have this. We have this. I'm not sure what to call it. So yeah. These two might look similar, but they are not. This one has a little hook at the end. We have this, which I think is for cars. I'm not very sure. We have this. We have this, and this. So a total of 9 picks you can use to pick lock. This is not for illegal activity and shit. This is just for fun. You know, you guys can. It's seriously fun because when you pick a lock, it's like a achievement. So this one is a tension wrench, which is needed to put pressure on the keyhole to turn it, because this is only to pick, and you need this to turn to unlock the lock. That's it guys for this video. If you guys like this video, remember to hit the like button below. Hit the like button. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave your questions below. I'll answer them as soon as possible. If you guys would like to message me or email me, feel free to do so. Anything else? No, nothing else. So that's it guys. See you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have a nice day.